Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Liverpool council tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Liverpool council tax login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.liverpool.gov.uk. Just click on that link. Now you will be redirected to the official website of Liverpool. Scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the login form. Now you just need to enter your email address over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. Just click on remember me for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on I have forgotten my password to recover your password. And if you don't have any account of Liverpool, just click on create a my council account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notifications so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.